Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel an in-progress Windows 10 update. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Services. Best match should come back with Services listed directly above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Locate the Background Intelligence Transfer Service, double click on that. If it says started or running, you want to click the stop button. If the service status says running, you want to select the stop option and then select apply and OK. And then you want to go down to the Windows Update service and again do the same thing. So if it says running, you want to stop it and select OK. So pretty straightforward. I mean, there really isn't that much more to do than just that. That should immediately stop the Windows Update in progress. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.